Good morning, social media. I'm getting ready to go play some golf and drink a cold beer. I think I'm gonna drink a Blue Moon, and when I drink the Blue Moon, I'm gonna drink another Blue Moon. So I'm just enjoying life. I'm not taking this stuff too serious. You know, a lot of people are really upset today, and some people are celebrating. Some people are really pissed off because President Trump has been impeached by the House. You know, politics should never compromise morals and good values and make you turn against one another. But that's what people are actually doing. You know, these same politicians that you think hate each other, they're fit to do exactly what I'm doing. They're fit to go play golf and drink beers together and enjoying their lives while we're upset, frustrating, fighting about this. Forget about all that stuff. I'm going to tell you exactly what's going to happen. This is what's going to happen. And you can save this video to your favorites. What's going to happen? Trump would be the only president in history to be impeached by the House, exonerated by the Senate, and re-elected by a landslide in the 2020 election. And he probably would have the majority of the votes also. If you don't believe me, save this video in your favorites. After the November 2020 election, listen to it again. That's exactly what's going to happen. This is the only time in history have a president been impeached by the House. He's going to be exonerated by the Senate and re-elected by a landslide, period. And like I said, he probably have the majority of the votes. So while we up here upset and fighting amongst each other, they're out there doing exactly what I'm fit to do. They're going to play golf. They're going to drink some margaritas, drink some beers, drink some more margaritas, drink some wine. So that's all it is. It's all a game. So like I said, enjoy life, live a little heaven here on earth, go on vacation, subscribe to this channel, follow us. Like me and my family, we're going to enjoy life. Because we seen, like I said, we seen too much this year, 2019. People are leaving us. So don't wait till you retire at 65, 70 and try to enjoy life, because retire means what it means. It means you retired again. You're tired. So you get tired all over again. So you live another 5 or 6 years, maybe 5 or 10 years after retirement, and you go. So do what I'm doing right now. Go play some golf, drink you a margarita, drink you another margarita, drink a beer, drink a margarita. And that's it. Chill out. Let these political people fight amongst themselves. They're doing good. They're not worried about anything. They got residual income, period. All right, thank you and have a great day. I better shut this video short. I got a golf game to play. All right, see you later. I almost forgot, but this is the quote for today. What you fail to conquer in life will eventually conquer you. So I'm gonna repeat it again. What you fail to conquer in life will eventually conquer you. All right, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.